This video is part of our series about making dioramas and model railroad scenery. You can see all the diorama and model railroad scenery videos in our channel, The World of Rail. If you've not yet subscribed, subscribe and you get easy access to that channel. So please subscribe now. And now, let's get on with the subject of this video. This week I've been working on models to go into various dioramas. This is the small station for the small station project. I have put in the acrylic for the windows, and this one I've gone beyond that. I've got the acrylic in, and I added the window frames. Those are brown card put on double-sided tape and taped onto the window. I'll make a video showing how to do that. But that's moving along, and I've got base in. I'll work on putting flooring in this week because people will be able to see in, so I want to have floor and I'll have some furniture. Along with that station project, there are some toilets. There is the barrier that is done. I've got the toilets themselves roofed out, enclosed, and for the heck of it, I put some toilets in the inside. I'm not sure how well you can see them, but I put them in. It's just an exercise because I'll put doors on there and nobody will ever see them. But I just did it because I felt like doing it. For the coal yard, I have to put together the guard shack. Now this I'm making out of wood. This is wood I cut myself. It's thin laminated wood of veneer. You can see the sill, the skirting, and the boards on the side. This will be the front. I've completed this. I've not yet completed this piece because I'm making a video showing the entire process of how to do it. That video will be up probably in a couple weeks. You subscribe, you'll be able to see the completed project. And then this is the back on that. It takes a bit of time, but the end result with this wood is nice. It finishes up nicely. This will go up on top and make a nice building. For that same project, I have the coal yard shed. That's wood, same thing. The glass is in. I have to glue the sides and I have to put in the framing. So that will get me set with the models for the coal yard project, and I can move on with that. Then also on the small station project, I have a grocery store that will be going in the corner. This one, notice the little windows in there. See if you can see that sill I put on. That's all wood, hand cut, hand done. The doors and windows also. That's the thin veneer on double-sided tape that is put on the acrylic glass. This is the one half of the door. I've glued the back and sides together. The front, I'm going to add security bars here, and I'll be putting signs in behind on the inside of the windows, so I will not put this front up until I finish that inside work. I'll also make floor to go inside there, flooring, because you'll be able to see in. Then on the that same project, we need a small level crossing shack. I have put in the recessed windows here, and with the brick and finished up the brick a bit. this is coming out particularly satisfying. That's I hand scribed that brick into card and then painted over it and added white chalk pigment. It's not too awful bad. Kind of like it. And this will be the roof. This is a second version. The first one I made 1.5 meters high. It was too high. And so, like everything else, if I don't like it, I throw it out. So I threw it out, made one at 1.5 meters high, and that fits on that very, very nicely. And so it looks good. I'll glue that together this week and add the door. Back over here on this coal yard shed, I don't know if you can see the difference in coloring. What I did was, instead of painting everything with a well-mixed color, I took two colors, put them side by side, and then applied the paint so that it went on unevenly. Some spots went with a darker brown, some went with a lighter brown, and some with a mix. So it kind of looks weathered when it comes out the gate. So that's about what we're doing. I'm going to continue the week on these models. This one, tomorrow I'll make the video on finishing that up, and then I'll stain that or paint it. And this one is going to be, for the entire week I'll mess with it, because those are very small pieces of card, and every one of them has to be put in place very carefully. They're all measured, and I've got 3 more windows to go, so that's at least 3 hours work putting that window in. And then I'll put the windows in here. That'll probably be an hour and a half work to get the windows in, get them framed out, and get that glued together. And I'll do some research over here for signs and everything. So I hope you enjoy this. This just kind of gives you a feeling for what I'm doing, and you may get some ideas looking at what you see I have on the board. All these models are available in my website, Carton Built Models. If you don't find what you want, write me an email or leave a comment in the video here, and you can get the plans to make each of these. Well, that's it for now. Okay, now I want to hear from you. Tell me what you think of this video. If you can add something, please do that too. Some of your ideas and techniques may be better than mine, so don't hesitate. Use the comments box below so everyone can see what you have to say. And please do subscribe. While you're subscribing, ring the bell so that you're notified by YouTube when we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.